how do you see India market has come up, say, in last 10 years?
Everyone just asked me this question. Being the overseas export division leaders, okay, I in charge for the European, North American, and the Indian market. And I should say that unlike other countries, Indian always full of energy to have a new design. Okay, year by year, I see very interesting and design for the new product. Okay, for every aspect. So this is a very interesting market for me.
Our audience would be really interested to know,
Yeah.
like if thinking has any plan in coming, looking at the potential of India to start up something here at some level, so that from here you can look at the global market.
Yeah, definitely we have. And there's a good saying, where customer located, we have to be there. And this is a supply chain issues.
Yeah.
Okay,
How do you see this Indian demand?
we have one dedicated team called the marketing department. Just optimize our website, so you can just input your requirement, then we can just provide our solution.
Hello friends, so welcome to new episode of Ramakrishna Gupsup Corner. So for the new viewers, let me introduce briefly on the Ramakrishna. This is a semiconductor distribution company, and we have presence across India with our team of 100 plus people and a lot of design ecosystem, supply chain system, etc., etc. So all the customers and all the new viewers who are looking at in this series, we have come up with our new guest who is Mr. Arthro. He is from Taiwan, Thinking. So let me introduce Mr. Arthro. So he will give a brief introduction and then we will discuss further. Welcome, Mr. Arthro.
Yeah, good
So,
afternoon.
tell me something about yourself and about your company.
Okay, so my name is Arturo. I'm come from Thinking Electronics, and I'm the sales director for the overseas market in Thinking Electronics.
Okay, so guys, my friends, so he is Mr. Arthro from Thinking. Now, before we ask further questions. Let me tell you, Thinking is based in Taiwan, and they are basically into the all kind of protection devices. So for the protection devices and all kind of protection devices are there, Arthro will tell you briefly that what all things Thinking is offering as a product line, so that our design community, our product development team can adopt it. So yes, Arthro, tell me about your product portfolio.
Okay, so Thinking Electronics is a Taiwan-based company, as you just mentioned, and we dedicated in the circuit protection component, and our product range from the over voltage, over current, and over temperature protections. And as long as your product is related to the electricity or protection, definitely you have to use our component for the protection in circuit design.
Yeah. So my friends, so these are the product, all the kind of products Mr. Arthro is offering. Arthro, tell us something about your global presence. Which all country you are present and what kind of customer base you have globally?
Oh, this is a good question. Actually, I have, Thinking have a wide range of customers from the home appliance, industrial to the automotive. Yeah, so we have a wide range of customers in India market.
Yeah. So India market, of course, India market is always our core focus, core attention, because this is where we are doing as a Ramakrishna, their distribution partner for a lot of product development activity. So in India, you have been involved into India market for quite a long time now.
Yeah.
So how do you see India market has come up, say, in last 10 years? The kind of market, the kind of application you are seeing.
Yeah, everyone just asked me this question.
Yeah.
Okay, so being the overseas export division leaders, okay, I in charge for the European, North American, and the Indian market. And I should say that unlike other country, India always full of energy to have a new design. Okay, so I still remember vividly that in year 2017 or 18, that was my first year entering India, and at that time I just saw many design just follow the BOM from other manufacturer. I mean, not in India, but year by year I see very interesting and design for the new product. Okay, for every aspect like lighting, SPD, industrial, even the automotive. So this is a very interesting market for me.
Yeah, interesting market. So, guys, so when we discuss on the interesting market and the focus application for thinking in India, please, I mean, we have to also take into consideration that when India is getting a spotlight because of a lot of government initiatives and push to invite investors, from outside and the technology company. We need to, our audience would be really interested to know, like if thinking has any plan in coming, looking at the potential of India to start up something here at some level, so that from here you can look at the global market. Any plan, something like that?
Yeah, definitely we have. And there's a good saying: where customer located, we have to be there. And this is a supply chain issues. Okay, so we have many end customer. Okay, just came to India for the investment and expand their production. Definitely, we will come here. Okay, to just make a localization and support the Indian customer with the very good support in no matter in the technical or either the delivery. So this is what we are going to do.
Yeah, I understand. So on behalf of my designing community, we have always a situation when our designing engineers always asking things now. They want samples now. They want best of the best price.
Yes.
So you being global supplier, seeing all the market across Europe, US and all. So how do you see this Indian demand? Like how you manage this?
Yeah, this is another good question. Okay, so that's why we have one dedicated team called the marketing department. And this marketing department, the member include FAE, so we can just do the technical support either on the line or face to face, and even we just optimize our website, so you can just input your requirement, then we can just provide our solution through our website input. So this is our good support. I should say this is our good support in the technique.
Yeah, understand. So if I compare this with say with a developed market, if I can say European market or US market. So in India, you will, what we notice, because see, for 4 decades we are in India and developing customers at different level, small, medium, large, every kind of customers. And all those customers come up with some unique things, that whether it's the supply chain that you have to have stock now or those kind of things. So this characteristic, if I can say, how this is different than the developed market, like US and Europe, how planned they are and how much we need to work on it.
So this is okay. So this is our another strength. Okay, so that is flexibility. Okay, so thinking is I should say we do not rely on any third-party technology. We just do the in-house design. Okay, we can just adjust the formula based customer requirement, and we can just do any tailor-made requirement. So I should say that flexibility is one of our strengths in thinking electronics.
Yeah, so flexibility, the product range, the support. So everything is good. So how you find India as such? How long you have been coming to India?
I say it's more than, I should say that more than 10 years.
Okay.
Okay,
so,
and I have been in India for almost 20 times.
Okay.
And
okay.
each time I just stay here for 3 weeks or
Okay.
1 month.
Yeah. Okay.
So I should say India is my second nation.
Okay, great to know this. So guys, we have a person. When I talk about thinking for the protection devices, you must keep in mind that we have a person, we have a team at backend who is headed by Arthro. He's sitting in Taiwan, and he has flavors of India together because for last 10 years he's coming. He's enjoying India. You like Indian foods?
Sure, definitely.
Okay, okay. So that means like Indian flavors, Indian foods, and like the ecosystem what we are trying to develop and trying to grow, of course. So every year we are coming up with new things and new proposals, ideas. At the same time, government is also pushing us a lot,
Yeah.
for localization, continuously pushing for localization.
Yes.
So many customers we see that one of their question is that does your supplier has a factory here, or which all places they have the factory. So that is something definitely we in future we will look forward that thinking, see India at that kind of potential where there can be more local manufacturing setup. Another question that we notice that the local vendors, the local manufacturers at a different scale, of course, they do not have that kind of technology.
Yes.
And they have at a very lower price band.
Yes.
They have. So of course, these products do not go into the high-end products, but then that is a product, that's a market. So any plan to address those kind of markets?
Actually, at this moment, no. Okay, so because thinking is technology oriented. Okay, so what we like to provide to our customer is good quality, state of quality. Because right now the people are looking for the product whose reliability is longer. So we don't compromise in the quality. Okay, so we don't need to jump to the I say is
lower end.
Another market.
Appreciate Arthro for your all these insights. So guys, my friends, my product designing teams, and all those customers, team engineers who are viewing this, what I would suggest that for all the protection devices, anytime when you are going to design something, be it automotive, industrial, whatever application, you think of protection, you think of thinking. Because thinking has a range of products. That's the one thing. They are competitive, they are the global quality, very good design support, very good optimization also for a given specifications. So for all your protection devices, please do consider thinking and keep supporting us, keep liking us, and keep building this ecosystem so that Arthro can always, have a good time engaging with customers.
Okay.
So Arthro, anything you would like to communicate to the Indian designing community?
No, actually, I should say, first of all, I really appreciate what Ramakrishna have done and supporting or even in promoting thinking product in Indian market, electronic market, and with your professional, your professional R&D team. Okay, so thinking can just cooperate with you and provide the good quality product to you, and maybe in coming future, okay, those products will not only focus on the local demand, but also to export, okay, to make many people to see the quality, good quality met by Indian engineer.
Thank you so much. So guys, with this small discussion, I will invite you, I will suggest you do visit thinking.com. You will find a lot of protection devices, lot of ideas, lot of application, and definitely for any query, anything, do come back to us. We will be there to support you for samples, for supply chain, for stocks, for everything, for all the discussion. So thank you very much for watching this episode, and we'll look forward. We will like to come up with more and more episodes. So do support us and do share and like our videos. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Deepak.
Thanks.